I'm going for a slide with my cousin. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah, with my friend. Friend, come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on. Okay, let's go for it. Okay, go for it. So I'm gonna go for a walk. Go for a walk. Whee! Oh no! I ended up for the back rooms with my cousins. Let's find a way to escape, guys. Let's go. Come on, let's go. The lights were flickering. It's flickering. Now let's go, guys. We're gonna see this. Let's see. Now, guys, I think there is a monster here. Right here. It's blood. It should run. Let's see inside. Where are you gonna come? What will happen? What will it happen? What will it happen? It turned red, guys. It turned red. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. I think the monster gonna come. We gotta run! Run, guys! Run as we can! Ah! Ah! The monster's chasing us! We gotta run! Die! Run! Okay, it disappeared now. The monster disappeared now. So we had to escape and finding the exit. So we had to find it now. When the lights turn off, the monster spawns. So we have to not get off with these traps. Oh no, the monster is here now. Ah! The monster. Ah! Where is he? We gotta go, guys. We need to hide. We had to hide something, guys. I'll go to the vents. The vents. Okay. I'm with the cousin with the vents. The monster here? Yeah, we will. But the monster is not here now. We're just gonna see. Oh no. Is he inside of here? Is the monster inside? What? What? Okay, guys. I think we will find the exit. Yeah, finally! Wait, the monster here! Run! Run! The monster blocked our exit door. We have to go. So we gotta go now. Run, not falling for the traps. Oh no, it's night. We gotta go. The monster will be extremely powerful. Gosh, guys, I think the back rooms. No, let's go escape now. I think we're good. No, it's flickering. So guys, yay! Yay, we can escape now. Ah! We gotta go. We gotta hide. Guys, where can I hide? The vents or the walls? I should hide at the walls. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna hide here. Okay, I think this is the way to skip. Wait, no exit? Does a face is ripped off? I think maybe the monster would have ripped it off. And I'm lost. The monster! Oh no! We gotta know. We gotta know. We need to. We need to put the light. The monster is scared of the lights. Stay with the light. So the monster can't get us. It may be teleport. And maybe teleport. We gotta hide. The monster now burning. We have to kill it. Where's the monster? It disappeared. This is our chance. This is our chance now. Escape. Ah! The walls. The walls. Guys, the walls. Oh no. This. The monsters surround. We got surrounded. We got surrounded, guys. So we need to find the monster and kill it. Ah! Run! We gotta go. The seats. No. We gotta hide before they kill us. Okay, this is the red rooms that the monsters surround us. The monster is asleep. Asleep. Run! We gotta go, guys. I'm running now. This is the hardest backrooms ever. He's gonna kill us. Ah! He surrounded our exit. Ah! Oh no! We gotta go before we die. Oh no. This is our chance. This is our chance. The room, it's blocked. It's blocked. Got it, guys. We did it done. Let's go. No, die. I'm gonna cry now. You died. We gotta escape, guys. Noob died. Ah! Ah! Guys, run! Matthias is here. We gotta go, guys. We gotta go. We need to hide. Gotta go. We gotta go. Okay, guys. I think it's gone. The monster is now dead. Let's go, guys. Wait, we're teleporting. Ah! Ah! We teleported back. Now the slide's back. I'm gonna slide now. Whee!